Hello everyone, today I gotta introduce about our group project. It is science fair. Here we're gonna introduce about the solar system. In our team we have two people. That is Alex 1 and 2. It's me and him out is that he Alex to come here. Say hello. Hello. First, what is the sun? The sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect ball of the hot plasma heated to indensity by nuclear fusion reaction in its core, radiating the energy mainly as visible light, ultraviolet light, and infrared light radiation. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Just know that easy meaning there is a star. Here was some facts about sun. Like sun is the total the sun mass is in the solar system weight is 99.86% here. Its mass is around 300,000 Earth times. As you can see here, you can watch it later. Mercury. What is a Mercury? Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is a terrestrial planet. I just call it a rocky planet. Mercury also is the smallest planet. With that being so small, Mercury is the second densest planet in the solar system. Some fact about Mercury: Mercury does not have any satellite or ring. That is fact. The surface of Mercury is similar to the Moon. It is the most heavily cratered planet, and this means that it hasn't been geologically active for many years. Here's some Mercury facts you can know after searching Google. Though it is the closest planet to the sun, the temperature of Mercury are both cold and hot. That if Mercury is closest planet to the sun, it not mean it very hot. It can be cold. It can be cold at the night. During the day, Mercury average surface temperatures get up to 800 degrees, or we can call it 430 Celsius. Next page. Venus. Here's the picture of Venus as you can see. What is Venus? Venus is the second planet from the sun and sixth largest planet in the solar system. We had a Venus fact. With Venus fact is the first one is Venus and Mercury are only planet in the solar system. They have moon. You don't have like this satellite like the Mercury. Venus is the second brightest planet in the solar system because it is a planet named after a male deity and the brightest planet in the solar system. Venus has 62 degrees hotter than Mercury because it is the, as you can know, Venus is very close to the sun, so it is, but it is not hot second. It is the hottest planet. Earth is our planet. Is our home planet. Here we only planet have life. Okay, here's some Earth facts. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and our home planet. Scientists have researched and estimated that our Earth is around 4.5 billion years. Scientists have researched. Okay, in 1 year, Earth can rotate like a spinning ball in 365, 366 or 365.25 days. And it is the largest terrestrial planet. Next, Mars. Meaning of Mars. Mars is a planet. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is a planet after Earth being beyond the Earth. Mars is more than 142 miles from the Sun. Some more fact is Mars has two moon in photos and diamonds here. Mars is called red planet because it looks very red. And here Mars is the home of the highest mountain in the world, in the solar system. It is Olympus Mount. Okay, now it's my
So
turn.
now I'm gonna switch with Alex 1 and I'm gonna talk about Jupiter. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with the mass more than 2.5 time that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000 the mass of the Sun. Facts about Jupiter. These are some fun facts. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant. It is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is a gas giant. Jupiter has a very thick atmosphere. Jupiter has a ring, but they are very hard to see. And now we're gonna move to Saturn. What is Saturn? Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. After Jupiter, it is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of the Earth. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 more massive. Here's the facts about Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It's the second largest solar system after Jupiter. Saturn has the radius of 58.232 kilometers. The surface area of Saturn is 83 more than the Earth. And now we're gonna move to another planet, that is Uranus. What is Uranus? Uranus is an ice giant. Instead of gas giant, it is mostly made of flowing icy material above a solid core. Uranus has a thick atmosphere made of methane, hydrogen, and helium. Uranus is the only planet that's been on its side. Uranus fact. One day on Uranus lasts a little over 17 hours over Earth. 1 year on Uranus is the same as 84 years in Earth. Uranus has 27 moons, and Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in Great Britain in 1781. And that's all for Uranus. Now I'm going to move to another one. That is Neptune. What is Neptune? Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and fourth largest planet. It is an ice giant that has the strongest wind in any of the planets in the solar system. The presence of methane gives us Neptune in bluish color, though it's the farthest planet from the Sun. It is in the coldest. Neptune facts. If you shoot on Neptune, the Sun will be 900 times fainter in the sky. If you could fit Earth inside Neptune, you would need 58 Earth to do so. Neptune has 6 known planetary rings and only 14 confirmed moons. One of them, namely Tritons, is believed to be captured off planet. That's all for Neptune. We're gonna move to belt now. Here's asteroid belt. What is asteroid belt? The asteroid belt is a region of space populated by millions of asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid belt fact. Asteroid are named after their discoverer, have an identification number. Dual gravitation. Asteroid can be tossed away from the belt and end up in the solar system. We might say asteroid resemble comet, but without the tail. 99.99% of the asteroid belt original mass is 100 million years old. Now we're going to move on to Kuiper belt. What is Kuiper belt? The Kuiper belt is one of the most significant regions in our solar system, amongst the Oort cloud, heliosphere, and the Jupiter magnetosphere. Kuiper belt fact. The Kuiper belt and the asteroid belt are all residues from the solar system formation. The ice in the Kuiper belt predate the solar system formation, which hint at the solar nebula existence. Kuiper belt has hundreds of thousands of icy figures, are either tiny chunks or can be as big as 100 kilometers or 62 miles across. And that's the end for our science fair project. Thank you for listening.